This is my favorite coffee pag andito ako sa Pinas. Super creamy niya, guys. Pero, hindi ko siya inaaraw-araw kasi, super, sugary. Sulban ang kape. Martin's sleeping. My mom is outside making breakfast. So, gising ko lang. I'm not gonna pour everything because it's too sweet. Ito yung medyo ang sarap ng umaga today. It is, anong tawag niya, mahangin siya. My uncle washing his belt. Alas 12. That's my uncle washing clothes. It's so peaceful. Ito yung nagbo-boil ng egg yung mama ko. Ito yung lutuan nila dito, guys. Super talaga organic style. Tapos may mga woods pa dyan. Mapa-woods pa dyan. Yeah, super nice. God. Kapi-kapi na muna tayo, guys. Ito talaga yung paborito kong kinakain dito. Parang cupcake ba? Parang cupcake talaga siya. Pero, pag kumain ka nito, it's like, it's so rich, na parang isang ganito lang, satisfied ka na, di na kailangan kumain pa ng more. Char! Sarap. Nakakain ba? Sarap. Anyway, update ko muna kayo sa buhay. Char. So guys, as you can see, iba ng aking environment. Ibig sabihin niya, nasa Pilipinas na tayo. Actually, we will be staying here until the end of March. Tapos uwi na naman ang Denmark. Tapos, normally, pag nag-stay kami Pinas, we normally stay sa mga hotel, sa mga Airbnb, sa mga ganyan. Pero this time nga, kasi it's gonna be a long stay. So, hindi natin afford yan, guys. So, it's a smart idea na dito kami titira muna sa farm ng ate at ng husband niya, so that we could save money, and then we can actually spend the money on doing things instead of yung ano, sa titirhan. Matutulog lang din naman kasi kami. So far, enjoy kami dito guys. Ang laki. Ang laki ng ano nila, ng space nila. Grabe. Hindi pa lang ganun talaga ka-finish yung house kasi under construction pa rin siya. Pero okay na siya. Ang labas, laki ng space. Super. Pero may mga, ano din dito. Tawag yun, adventure. The other day, upo kami dito and suddenly may, ano tawag yun? Parang fire, ano ba? Oh my God. Wang-wang ba? Wang-wang sa fire. I thought it was just my mom watching a video. So I was just like, okay, fine. And then suddenly, my mom stopped and like, okay, there's fire, there's fire. I forgot Martin was sleeping in the room. Me, my mom, and my uncle ran outside to check where is it exactly because we could see the fire truck just really stopping in our gate area. We ran so fast. And then when I was already there and was asking questions like, okay, what is it? Apparently, it's the grass. It's like so warm in here the other day that the grass, I'm not really sure, somebody said like, somebody made fire because they normally do that here to get rid of the mosquitoes, ganyan, or it could also be it's just so much hot weather na nag-create siya ng fire. So yun yung nangyari guys. So I was asking them like, and then suddenly I realized, oh my God, everybody is in panic and chaos, and my husband was just left in the room sleeping. He was not aware what's going on. So I ran back so fast, like, yeah, I ran back. It was so funny actually. Anyway, tumakbo ako pauwi dito. Gising ko sa mga sabi ko, Marty, you gotta prepare yourself because there's fire and we might evacuate or something. Yeah. Buti na lang naman na-control nila yung fire ba. So it was not that dangerous, but the adrenaline, yung fire truck nandyan, may ambulance, may ganyan. As in, right lang talaga ng sa may gate area. Anyway, hindi na tuloy. So it's very nice. Alugbati, fresh from the farm. Yun yung mga advantages na nandito guys kasi yung mga vegetables nandyan lang talaga sa bakuran. Hina-harvest mo na lang. Tapos yung mga eggs namin is from dito din. Yung mga chickens nila. Ang liliit nila guys, pero maliliit lang din kasi yung mga manok. Ano ba? Parang Bisaya na manok. Guys, after the alugbati, para malunggay. Kaya pala umalis mama ko. Ano pala doon, nag-harvest sa labas. Nice! Oh, pakita daw yung aluba. Ah, okay. Dalawang ano pala ito. Nice.